Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to you all. I hope you are in good health condition or healthy condition during this pandemic era, and I hope you still obey the government protocol to prevent COVID-19 outbreak, and to end this pandemic era as soon as possible. It is our effort to protect ourselves and our family from this pandemic during this pandemic era or from this COVID-19 virus. Okay, today I would like to give you a brief review about self-introduction. I'm so sorry I cannot review each of your work because I have a limitation. There are so many work that I have to do, and I cannot give you an individual review. So instead I will give you a general review about self-introduction. And it is about communicative self-introduction based on what I have seen on your self-introduction assignment that you have already collected. Most of you use this phrase, is because, and today that is what I want to talk about. The expression or the phrase is because. Is because is not quite correct expression. There is a better way to express the same meaning with is because, but with the better or more accepted form. Okay. For example, this is, before I give you the solution, I will give the example case in your self-introduction. In your self-introduction, most of you use the expression like this: I choose your major, for example, public administration, or your other major, you can change freely. I choose public administration is because blah 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 blah. That is not quite correct. How we can fix or how we can change the expression of it's because? There are two ways, at least. There are two ways to change the expression is because in a better or in more acceptable form. The first is to remove. The first way is to remove the word is. So instead of I choose I choose public administration is because, you have to change into I choose public administration because. It is a better way. And the second way is to change into or to use the expression is that. So you can perhaps use kind of expression or use kind of sentence. The reason I choose public administration is that I want to be a journalist. Of course, you can always change your major with your own major, and then you can always change the job that you want to, or the reason that you have with your own reason. That is. So once again, there are two ways to change the expression is because. The first is to remove is and use because, and the second will be you have to use is that instead of is because. I already gave you the example in earlier, so I think it is enough for you. If this explanation is still unclear for you, you can always notify me, sending me message in our group. You can always ask. Okay, I think it is enough. Thank you for your attention. See you in next meeting, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya.